Hello students. Today we will discuss the tabs on the ribbon. There is home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review and view. So let us discuss the home tab. Home tab with the command buttons normally used when creating, formatting and editing a spreadsheet. It is arranged into the clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. The other tab is Insert tab. Insert tab with the command buttons normally used when adding particular elements like graphics, tables, charts, hyperlinks, headers, or footers. It is arranged into the tables, illustrations, add-ins, charts, tours, sparklines, filters, links, and symbols. The other tab is Page Layout. Page Layout tab with the command buttons normally used when preparing a spreadsheet for printing or reordering graphics on the sheet. It is arranged into themes, page setup, scale to fit, sheet options, and arrange. The other one is the Formulas. Formulas tab with the command buttons normally used when adding formulas and functions to a spreadsheet or checking a worksheet for formula errors. It has insert function, function library, define names, formula auditing, and the calculation groups. Other one is data. Data tab with the command buttons normally used when you have to import a data or you have to query, outline, or subtotaling the data placed in the work data list. It has the groups get external data, get and transform the data, connections, sorting and filtering, data tools, forecast and outline. The other tab is Review. Review tab with the command buttons normally used when proofing, protecting and marking up a spreadsheet for review by others. It has the groups Proofing, Accessibility, Insights, Language, Comments and Changes. The other tab is View. View tab with the command buttons normally used when changing the display of worksheet area and the data it contains. It is arranged into workbook views, show, zoom, window and macros. So these were all the tabs. We will discuss them in later. Excel can display contextual tools when you are working Excel can display contextual tools when you are working with a particular object that you select in the worksheet, such as a graphic image. You have a tab here. You just write chart tools. You have an option create chart. Then it will tell you that you have to select the data for which the chart is to be created. You just cancel it. You just select the data that is given, this one. You just write here, create chart. The chart for your data will be created. It is called the customized or the contextual tab. You can write anything in this tab. It's written over here, tell me what you want to do. You can add chart, pivot tables, graphic image. I have given you example for creating the chart table. So when you will click OK, then the chart for this data will be created. So you have another tab in the ribbon, that is tell me what you want to do. The moment you deselect the object, the contextual tool for that object and all its tabs immediately disappear from the ribbon, leaving the regular tabs. When you deselect this chart, just wait, yes, you are having the normal tabs here. When you will select it, then you are having the options of chart coloring, style. Yes, okay. It was all about the contextual tab.